How could you not say that dinosaur was balls? It was fucking awesome. Also, your nipples are hard.
Your nipples are hard.
Stop videotaping me!
I'm not taping you at all.
I'm sad that they cut down trees. I'm gonna kill myself too. Like, let me walk backwards. Let me walk backwards. Stop! Stop!
Oh, I just screamed like a rape scream in the middle of the woods.
Yeah.
And I almost fell.